So a full Gujarati meal, so let me quickly show you what I made. With me, but I'm on a freaking shopping spree. Good morning, happy Saturday. We're heading out and it's freaking pouring and it's sunny. This rain's come out of nowhere. This one. So we're probably like a kilometer away from home now. It's not even rained here. It's ridiculous, man. You guys, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm on a freaking shopping spree. I just went and bought this machine today. This is the Breville Barista Express, and it is salted licorice, I think. But my Philips Laura machine, which is with the pods, is kind of on its last leg and I needed an upgrade. So this is the one I have picked up and I'm just about to put it together. So wish me luck. Happy Monday. Very active Monday today. I went to the gym this morning, went to work. I had a day full of meetings. I had 2 hours that were meeting free today. Pretty hectic day, to be honest. And then I've come home, had some coffee. By the way, I used my new coffee machine. I'll fill you in a second. But I've also just made a full meal. So a full Gujarati meal. So let me quickly show you what I made. First up, this is not the order we would normally have. But I have rice here. I've just made it in the rice cooker. This rice cooker is by Biano, so we just got it from Aldi. But the rice is ready to go. Also made roti today. I've got Gujarati dal here. Again, very easy to make for me. It's like the quickest meal that I normally make. So we've got Gujarati dal, and then I've made okra. So yum, it's one of my favorite vegetables to have. So a full meal today. And I made this like after I came back from work, so pretty hectic day today. But let me tell you a little bit about my coffee machine. So let's go over to it. Alexa, all lights on. Okay, so this is my new coffee machine. You saw me unbox it and I hope the footage was okay. I struggled with it a little bit, not gonna lie, but here she is in all her beauty, and excuse that. But this is Black Licorice by Breville. It is such an incredible machine. I don't have coffee beans yet, but literally it's phenomenal. I had coffee, like ground coffee already. I had bought like pods that didn't quite work well with my previous machine, which you've seen many times on here. But the previous machine was my Philips Lore one. This is about 3 to 4 years old. But then those pods didn't quite work well. They take Nespresso pods, but that particular one didn't work. So I like emptied all the pods, and I thought I would have like the refillable one and it would work in that, but never did. So I just had the coffee sitting and I was thinking maybe I'll chuck it, or maybe I'll just give it to someone that uses it, and I never could. But I have been using that to make coffee here. I've made 3 cups so far, and it works beautifully. It is such a good machine. Obviously I've only made 3 cups still, but I have a long way to go and I have to perfect it. But we're also going to go and buy some coffee beans a little bit later today. But I'm super excited. It's such a phenomenal machine. I'm so obsessed with it. I've had 3 cups, I've made 2 cups, I've had 2 cups, and then the third one was for my husband. So smooth, so rich, so creamy. The frother is amazing. Like, I've been loving it. I look forward to, like last night I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to have the coffee because I didn't have it yesterday. And then this morning when I was coming, this afternoon when I was coming home, I was like, I cannot wait to go home and have more coffee. So super excited. I can't wait to get the beans and try that. And I know that like that'll be so much more fresher. It does come with 4 different plates, which is great. So if you have freshly ground coffee, then you use a different sort of, what is it called? Filter baskets. So if you have a freshly ground coffee, there's a different filter basket for it. And then if you're using ground coffee already, then there's a different one. So I've been using the one that is for ground coffee already, pre-ground one, but it's amazing and I'm obsessed, literally obsessed.